why I was wearing sunglasses. It's not even sunny. If this looks familiar, I've been here before. So let's catch some fish. I was gonna say we got a couple little suckers, a little sturgeon, and a white bass. No rods folded over, so what is going on? What do we have? Probably a little drum. I was fishing for probably 20 minutes or so, and then there's a guy literally sitting in this little crack. It's like where the river, or not river, the water washed off the edge of the field, washed out this little pocket, and there was a guy in there. At first I thought he was like dead or something. He wasn't moving, and after like 20 some minutes I finally said something. I was like, "Hey, you okay?" And then he kind of got up and he's like, "Yeah." I was like, "What are you doing?" And he says, "Just hanging out." Like, what the heck? Freaking crackheads, man. I tell ya. So then he proceeds to get up and he just stumbles his way out into the trees, which that's not public land. So I don't know what's going on. It's just really odd. Sure am stumbling into some interesting people this last summer here. That's for sure. Fishy. It's all bluegill. It's a widow wivel bluegill. Fresh out of the water. Ooh, 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 ooh. What is this? Can we get another bluegill? Gotta watch out, there's a lot of snags. There he is. Huh. Oh, it's a little bass. A widow wivel bluegill and a widow wivel bass. Another one. This is a little better. Another bluegill. This one looks a little better. That one looks like you could eat it. Whatever it is, it's not that big. Oh, the dreaded drum. You stay out of my other line. Dang it. Whoa! Hey, that's a sturgeon. That's the kind we're looking for, but it's not very big. He's trying to swim on land. That's not how you do it, buddy. Hey, stop. No. Now he's all wrapped up. See, this is what happens when you're screwing around. There. He's not a very big one, probably like another 30-some inch. But yeah, another fish in the boat. Look at that, a perch. Little perch in a drop shot. Little with a perch. Haha. What is this? It's a really little bass. Bluegill. These bluegills aren't very big, but they're really plump. Well, I think I'm going to end this one here. We had some entertainment, caught some fish. Not as big of a sturgeon as I wanted, but it is what it is. We still got fish. We still saw a cracked out dude sleeping on the bank, which is really weird. But anyways, if you liked the video, thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time. Peace.